dancing, be like say they don't give you breakfast. I'm a piano knocker down, they give breakfast. I'm a piano go, they carry you, they go. I'm a piano go, they carry you, they go. I'm a piano go, they carry you, they go. I'm a piano go, they carry you, they go. You go carry you, they go. Carry you, they go. You go carry you, they go. Carry you, they go. You go carry you, they go. Carry you, they go. You go carry you, they go.
So I got this bed duvet cover from Shein. It looked better on the website. I'll show you guys what it looked like on the website. This orange thing, the orange lines, I thought it was going to be gold, but it doesn't look so gold. Yeah, and yeah, I'm just going to lay my bed with this now. What's up, guys? So at work I was given this bunny to paint it. I don't know when I'm to submit this because it's literally an assignment, and because I'm representing my team, and so I'm just going to go to Tesco now to get whatever paint I could use to paint this thing. So yeah, let's go. So this was me on my way to Tesco, and wow, which kind of waka like this? So long. And so this is the big Tesco. This is not just the express. So I'm just looking for where I'm going to get the colors to paint my bunny. So I had to go to like the party section because I felt like I was going to see more like of painting equipment, but I didn't. So I had to go like to the stationery section in order to find, you know, stationeries that I can use. Then I looked and behold, it was in front of me. Children stationeries. Then obviously I was having a look at all these ones. I saw varieties though. I was actually just checking just to get the perfect one. So I ended up getting this one because it's girly and I like the sample they gave here, and the other colors were just weird, and I did not want to get the ones where I'll have to add water and all of that. That's unnecessary stress. So this one is thick, as you can see from here, so I'll show you. out here in the wilderness waiting for my Uber to take me to work. I don't know why I was doing this in camera, but I look good still. Trust me guys, this is wilderness. Can't you see how this place looks like? Look. Yeah, I'm at a station like that, so yeah. So my dearest, beautiful that's really small. So I probably want to sell these shoes. If you're watching this video and you like them, you can send me a message and we could talk about a price for it, because I have to sell it. I didn't buy it cheap. They were expensive. So yeah. So if you're a 40.5. So guys, I'm going to the nail salon to get my nails done. And yeah, basically.
Let me know what is it you want from me? What is it you want from me? Can you let me know what is it you want from me? What is it you want from me? Yeah, you got me stuck on the green. If the green says go, I'm stuck in between what is real and what I know. I'm stuck in between all the highs and the lows. Apparently Consequently, I'm only gonna rip what I sow.
So I just finished fixing my what do you call that thing? My toenails and my distance, and the guy that attended to me is different, and he was customer service was perfect. He's Chinese, yeah, but well, the other guy that fixed my nails before, I don't know, he was just a very somehow human being. So the one that fixed my nails today gave me good customer service, in the sense that he kept me on this chair that was massaging my back, and see, my waist is perfect right now. Then the other guy that used to do my nails, yeah, that one not send my father on. That one doesn't even I like him. I'm going to rate him. Give me perfect customer service. Today was the best day of me doing my nails with those people. I was thinking, I think it's that sometimes we black people don't even know when we're going through racism and all of that, but it's fine. So I removed my acrylic nails, and this is what they look like afterwards. I don't know why they look like this. I told him to shape it over. This is really horrible. Yeah, so I fixed only my toenails because I prefer to fix my toenails than fix my fingernails because my hand's always busy. Yeah, my hand's always busy. That's why I don't like to fix my fingernails. Anyway, I'm thirsty. I need to get water. I'm at home now. Talk to you guys later. So guys, I have a date tonight, so I'm getting ready for that. And I don't know, my eyebrows look really dark in this camera because they're not dark at all. They also look funny as well on camera. So I'm getting ready. I have limited time to be ready, actually. Yeah. I'm not the best makeup artist, and I'm wearing this thing because I'm cold. My room is always cold. I don't know why. It's just always cold. See, I'm not so much of a great makeup artist. I'm going to make use of this angled brush. As you can see, it's very angled. And my LA Girl Pro Concealer, because it's like affordable makeup, you know. I've had this for like 2 years now. I've had this for 2 years. Yes, I don't use a lot of makeup like that. I should be going for makeup shopping soon because I need to like step up my makeup game. Yeah. I was listening to music before, but I said that Jessica, you're filming week in my life. You know that thingy that we do, we content creators. So I just said, oh, I need to film this. I'm looking like this because I'm trying to like get reflection of the light on my face. My eyebrow is done now. I need to shape my eyebrow, and I don't know why it's looking so dark, because to be honest, like, don't be doing so much on my eyebrows. By the way, I'm going to go in my foundation. It's from Zaron. I've had this as well for 2 years. I'm trying to join the NAS like to use this puff to adjust my foundation, but I like to as well spray water on it on the puff. I think I've been meant to spray setting spray rather than water. Let's try setting spray. Today was actually a very restful day. Oh, it is not to work. So now I need to zip down a bit, not too much, but I'm not wearing any of that thing down so it doesn't stain my jacket. Oh, that is sorted now, so we're just going to use a bit of foundation to adjust my eyebrow. Can you come out just more? Okay. So now that is sorted, we're just going to touch here a bit. Now, just going to do my eyeliner. So I'm going to put baking powder, which is the banana baking powder. I don't like to put too much because I don't want to be looking like what I do not know. I'm going to go with my contour, which is LA Girl. I'm going to go with the back of my beauty blender. Then I'm going to puff upward. So now that is sorted, I'm going to go back with my brush. This. Powder from L'Oreal. I'm going to be using my e.l.f. eyeliner on my eyes. Now it's time to apply my lashes. My lashes. I have to do that off camera. So this is how I am dressed up. I'm wearing these heels and I'm carrying this bag, the Jacquino's bag. You can see I look looking nice. So guys, I'm proud of myself. Like I actually got ready early, so early. Like I rounded up everything early. So yes, I'm just adjusting my boxes because it's a blazer dress. Oh god, I don't know how I can show. Yeah, so that's the length of the dress. Very skinny girl. My braids. I'm gonna fall down. So my jewelry, this is just my Apple Watch, necklace, earrings. So I'm adding extra height now because I'm wearing my heels. So this is how I look like. So yeah, don't worry, I look better in real life. I don't know what I look like. What I don't know. I'm on this perfume, Black Opium, because like I'm dressed looking like this. I need to smell sweet as well. Yeah, smell sweet. That's about it for the outfit. So this is me. Yeah. And my hair. It's giving business. I think I'll take a picture and upload on my LinkedIn profile. Because it's giving very serious. You know. So this is how I look like. This is how I look like.
Doors opening.
So guys, I'm back home now, and yeah, it was nice. It was really nice. I don't know how I'm swearing like this, but like it was a nice date, to be honest. Yeah, and yeah, I had a good time. You know, the food was amazing. Yeah, so I'm just about to like take off my makeup, you know, clean my room, speak to my friends, because I don't like to use my phone whenever I'm like with someone and talking to someone. Yeah, so I'll get back to, you know, my normal routine. Yeah, and this makeup looks good as well. Yeah, see that messy place. So yes guys, so I just got my parcel from ASOS. I'm just going to open it up now. Ta-da! So I bought this face scrub, Neutrogena. So for breakouts, and So actually I bought it because I have white head. Girls will know it's not. And this thing is so small. I didn't expect this to be small. I got this for my body as well. It's a body scrub. It smells nice. Smells really nice. So this for strawberry legs, or majorly like just for, you know, at least for my body. And I got this slippers from ASOS. Let me even try it with my size. I bought because of summer and it wasn't available before. I had to buy it. Like they announced to me that it was available now and I just had to buy it when it was available. I got it in a size 41 because I don't want a situation where it doesn't suit me. But it's really pretty. I'll show you guys a video. I bought it because I want to wear it to work. One is really hot, or not very hot, probably from June or next month, because it won't be that hot, but I get really, my legs, I don't like to wear socks and shoes for that long extended period, so I prefer to wear slippers or sandals, what they call it in the UK, sandals. But they're cute, they're really, really cute. Apparently they're from New Look, and it's high and it's not so heavy and it looks really quality. It might not be quality, I don't know. So, if you want to buy me Hermes slippers, you can go ahead and buy from me. I really appreciate that. So we're going to start using this one today because I need to eliminate the white heads. I'll show you guys what I mean. You can see this white. I know. It's not so obvious, but I do have white heads and it's not so obvious, but I see them obviously when I look at in the mirror. So I'm going to be using that because when I was back in Nigeria, I used to use scrubs and I saw a difference. White heads, black heads, whatever they call them. Yeah, I don't know why I'm shaking my camera. I'm really sorry about that. So guys, that's how they want us to cancel the trainer. I'm fucking late. My friend's dinner starts by what time? 8:30. She wants to leave her house. She wants to leave her house 7:30. And right now it's 4:43 and I'm getting to London at 6:24. So if I'm going to use the Uber, it's going to be like 40 minutes drive. So like 40 minutes, I'll be getting there like 7 something thereabouts. And now they wanted to cancel the train. I don't know why this train is not moving at the moment. I don't know. We're still in Coventry.
So apparently I started doing my makeup on the train. This was what I did. I just did my foundation, contour and highlights, very mild makeup. And I'm just showing you what I look like here.
Guys, as you can see, I started my makeup. I'm just arriving and I'm so late. But let's leave to my friend's apartment now. So yeah. Tired. Or did you go out? Not with my coat on, yeah. Oh, you can still They are cute. Doesn't make sense because there's no food everywhere.
Assuming you wanted some calories?
Yeah.
How many?
3 sets. I should include no set.
So Kenny's making me breakfast. She's making the oats and the toast. You're going to see it soon. Now she's giving me smoothie as well. Let's cheers to the smoothie. Okay. She wants me to add weight because this is weight gain smoothie. It's mixed with strawberry. Let me show you properly with sunlight. So it's mixed with strawberry, oats, protein shake. What again? Yeah, so I'm just going to try this. Obviously, it looks nice. It's definitely going to be nice.
Vanilla ice cream.
Yeah. And this is the view from her kitchen. Billionaire Oyejikashi.